The movies.
Oh, the newbies. Okay. I'm gonna go with. There's so many on my list.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go with Iligan. Okay, Iligan. Her name is Juliana Fresado.
Fresado.
She is a part of a good friend of ours.
Gian Lasala. Ay, Gian. News siya ni Gian this year. Akala ko si Gian ay nag-retire na sa pageantry, pero ang puso ni Gian kasi pagka deserving ng girl at nababaitan siya, bumibigay ang Gian Lasala. Ganon siya ka-giving. Para siyang si ano naman yung Alanza.
Yes.
Diba? When they love the girl,
They love the girl.
they make up who love the girl. They love it.
And what I like about Juliana is that very fresh, very unassuming yung kanyang beauty.
Wala kang
Needs a little bit polishing on the pasarela. I think needs a more commanding presence on the pasarela. I think that's the area that needs to be polished more, and the way that she registers in terms of her poses. Kasi I think that's one of the things that Juliana can actually, if you're watching or any of your handlers is watching, find ways to make her pose, to create poses that will make her look taller and longer on screen. Because Juliana, I think, is 5'7" in terms of height. Pag itabi mo siya doon sa mga Anisa na nasa 5'9", sa mga Chelsea Fernandez na nasa 5'9", kay Chanel na nasa 5'11", she shines. Pero nalalamon siya because of height. So she needs to find ways to look longer on stage. Yun ang kailangan niya make it polish. But her face died. Okay, another unpopular opinion. The only girl na tingin ko na if pipilihan ako ng face parts sa edition ko, the only veteran I think na nandun sa kanyang level is Chelsea Fernandez. So kung ako magpipiliin ng face art, I'm gonna put Juliana, I'm gonna put Chelsea, I'm gonna put Gwen Elise, which I will be talking about later, as my top 3 in terms of face, in terms of commercial face. Okay? Hindi pwedeng mawala yung tatlong yun doon sa parangan na if there are four queens in a deck of cards, ilagay ko na si Yana or si Akisa to sila apat. Buo na yung apat ng queens of yung spades, heart, cups, and flowers. Buo. So, when it comes to face card, hindi ko huhuli si Juliana, and I think she can definitely make use of that gorgeous face.
Alam mo, if she doesn't win any crown this edition, she's one of the faces to watch out for.
Exactly.
Ito definitely hindi ito tapos. At hindi niya ito tatapusin.
Hindi.
So, we'll see more of Juliana definitely in more pageants. She is a potential Miss Universe Philippines in next 2 to 3 years time kung talagang
I think that Juliana is just too much of a newbie.
she's building her name.
Building her name. I don't think that a lot of fans will be investing on her because hindi pa niya hindi pa siya kilala ng mga tao.
She deserves also the attention because she was capable. Kung meron man natuto sa no when to be ito yun, namimili ng moments to shine. Because of course, kaya may mga pre-pageant events. Because
And the thing is, nakakaversa lang kami, di ba, ng bata. She was very sweet during the Hello Glow. And then, magaling ng uli na kita mo,
years na
babae.
At ang galing
woman team.
ang galing na ng lumakan. Ano feeling ko, during the downtime that they're not doing so much, I think she's studying, just training. You can see, andun to talaga, ito yung determination. And you can feel that energy, that ability, that commitment to be present, to improve, to be there, and to give us a wonderful show and representation for Iligan City, of course. Mindanaoans, which is, I think she's one of the champions for Mindanao this year.
Kasi dahil pa newbies.
Yeah.
Ang mga newbie ng mga girls, pag hindi nila kamusta, mapapansin mo sila.
Pansin mo ba? Tsaka noon pa, kasi what's it, pina-event or may Moklas photo shoot, parang pina beauty, diba? Yun, so doon lumabas ako. Ganda kasado sa mga dalawa. Kasi research, so ayun. Hindi na daw audio. Oo, pero meron lang ambient. So patawarin kita kami. So yun. Yun, going back, yeah, so dalawa ko na Gian Lasala mo. So ayun, so there'll be much support. She deserves that. She may not, I don't see her honestly being a new PH for sure.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not
But
yet.
I might see her in a different pageant pa, or baka may ibang pageant na bagay siya.
Pwede.
If we don't make it here, come to Cubao. Kasi parang Miss Glow, parang bagay doon. Yung freshness na
Hintayin natin muna kung ano yung mga titles.
pero abangan natin.
Abangan natin.
Pero she, I mean, ibig sabihin, maraming pwede. Maraming pwede doon sa bagay. I really want Miss Universe Philippines. Feeling ko na makukuha niya. Kasi masipag na. Dahil doon napansin natin, di ba? Mas nagpang siya kasarela. Hindi sila nagpo-post masyado sa socials nila. Minsan kasi may benefit yung hindi masyadong puno. Tama nga naman yun. Kung hindi ka naman masyado active sa certain causes, ba't ka naman magsisinungaling na itong house ako? Bakit nga naman ako gagawa ng fake event for myself? Pero minsan gugulatin mo na lang,
Why fake it?
why fake it? We don't like fakery in here.
We want authentic. Magpo-post natin bukal sa nabibing magpipilitan.
I think in the past we've seen that, and people would know. Hindi natin kailangan yung point out that they would know. Sa kanya, alam niya that her focus is to put herself out there. I mean, this is a first big stage for me. I need to look good. Gian was I'm sure gonna create a wonderful dress for the girl. At saka, yun nga, napakala siya sa sarili niya. I think she's a good speaker also. I think I've heard in one interview, hindi ko lang siya, hindi ka tayo na, pero hindi ko sabihin, okay siya. She's really good. Ito yung tipo ng girl na bago sa mukha mo, magugulit ka lang if she's the representative, pero hindi ka mapapahiyan.
Okay, that's another.
So another veteran, okay, sige. I'm gonna go to, since nasa Mindanao tayo, mag-connection pala. I'm gonna go to Sultan Kudarat because you know what, Chelsea Fernandez is one of the girls. The girl. That we should not forget. Because you know, Chelsea.
Thank God, you mentioned her kasi katatapos lang natin i-mention yung mga face cards.
Correct. And speaking of face card, oh my God. Kung makita niyo si Chelsea in person. Okay, recently I was invited to the premiere and to a special screening of My Love Will Make a Disappear. Kim Chu Paolo Avellino. Yes, I was with Star Cinema. Sa mga friends with Star Cinema, thank you for, bringing me over at catch up, ganyan. So, it so happened to take place in Ortigas Cinemas, the home of Empire. So, itong may event doon, ganap-ganap, ganyan. The divinity that Chelsea Fernandez is walking to the escalator. Ito, tawa ko, oh my God, that place, girl. I mean, ito, pag pinadala ko sa bangko, walang problema. Because if the Nawats Importance would go by the body, beauty, business, height, she has it. Then, hindi, nasa mukha ni Sino Gutierrez.
May angulo.
May angle ng rufa, tapos pag nagalakad siya, Eva Iqbal, rest in peace, former Miss Venezuela Universe 2001, third runner-up at Miss Universe 2001. Galing. So, ibig sabihin, internationally speaking, and we know naman because she went to Miss Globe, she had the pageant experience, diba? And she keeps on shining. She used to be an almodal girl. Na alam mo naman how her face glows in spite of all the glitz and glamorous gowns. Talaga, she really knows her presence and energy. I think ang laban na natin Chelsea Fernandez is time, organization, and faith. In India, we have a saying, kismet. If it's like your destiny,
if it's
your
yours.
life, it's yours. Medyo may paganon. Kasi minsan, no matter how hard, I am not dumping Chelsea, no? But I want her to prove us all that, you know what, wala akong Panginoon. I'm gonna walk the walk. I'm gonna sashay and get that crown that's rightfully mine. Because I have a strong feeling. I'm gonna keep all the time sa MUPH right now. This girl will not go home empty-handed. Because ako hindi ko sasayangin. For any reason, Chelsea Fernandez has a worthy Miss Philippines. And Miss Philippines, we are truly proud of. I mean, all of them are. Pero ito talaga, gusto kasi niya yun eh. May mga girls na pangarap ko kasi to. So gagawin ko, in any way that I know, I could possibly do it, make it. I would push it down. I would go through the fire if I have to. Chelsea is that girl. Alam mo, I also love that her representation also put light on the province of Sultan Kudarat. Yun ang magandang effect ng representation because Sultan Kudarat has one of the best hospitals in the country, libre. Their government system there apparently is one of the best. I think they won LGU of the year on the recent years. Diba? And Chelsea representing that, incorporating that on her content, that's her story, that's her narrative. She was born and raised in that kind and that province. So much culture. Diba? At talagang proud Bisaya talaga na representation. Tsaka, yun, beyond the face, she's also working hard. I mean, hindi lang siya traditionally in a level of perfection. I think yung isa pa yung sa kalaban niya, yung perfection that we paint or competes, no? Every single time they compete. That's also part of the problem. But, ako sana ma-overcome na yun. Kasi sometimes, if it gets to you, no matter how strong you are, medyo madali kang ma-off balance. But I just wish she would tap on her strength because she knows she's strong. Alam naman niya kung anong klaseng candidate siya, alam niya kung anong klaseng babae siya, alam niya kung anong klaseng tao siya. And that shines in the competition. Chelsea, you're one girl to watch out.
I think, okay, when it comes to facial beauty, the reason why I put her in my top 3 is because what you see on photos is exactly what you see
Yun na yun.
in real life.
And I can attest to that kasi nakita ko siya in person. Yun na yun.
Hindi niya kailangan ng filter, hindi niya kailangan ng Photoshop, hindi niya kailangan ng kung ano-ano pilegas nilagay sa mukha niya. Hindi makapal, manipis ang makeup, she looks exactly as what she looks in.
Ang ganda ng balat mo.
So, kung may face of the year, may photogenic na girl, that's not going to be Chelsea because photogenic is maganda sa pictures. Si Chelsea maganda sa pictures, maganda sa personal. So, that's one thing. Second, katawan. Ang ganda ng katawan ni Chelsea ngayon, hindi siya overbig, hindi siya overly muscular, hindi siya overly na out ng kaya. Tama lang. Very, you know yung katawan ni Giselle Bundchen during her heydays in the 2010s, in the 2000s.
Lagyan, alam mo.
Ganun ang katawan ni Chelsea.
Lagyan ko ng Venezuela sa Chelsea.
If there
She
was
could be Colombia, she could be Venezuela.
if Chelsea was a Miss Venezuela winner, tama yung analysis mo na iba-iba. For me, however, the beauty queen that I get from her, especially on the evening gown na presentation, is Martina
Oh my
Torres.
God, the most beautiful Miss Venezuela of all time.
The only girl that can rival Martina's beauty is Carmela Isa.
Oo. Another fellow Venezuela.
Another fellow Venezuela. So kung iisipin natin, who does Chelsea remind us of among past queens? Sa swimsuit si FF pa, sa evening gown si Martina. So walang takot kay Chelsea. Here's
So kung itapon si Chelsea,
Huwag yung sayangin.
she needs to wear that sash that says Philippines again.
yes.
Yes, she needs that.
So whether she's set as Miss Cosmo, as Miss Universe Philippines, as Miss Supra,
She do well.
she do well.
She do well.
Ano ba yung mga titles na available sa kanila?
Charm.
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 Chismis ni
Rumors.
nawala na ng Charm sa kanila.
Well,
So,
until an official,
until
let's
yeah.
give MUPH organization the benefit of the doubt until such that there's an announcement made. Pero, until, I mean, other than that, this Philippines franchise has Eco International. I don't think Eco International will be it. It's too, talaga ba? It's too basic for her. No, she deserves a bigger title.
Bigger.
Yeah,
So
I
I think I'm looking at Charm, Cosmo, Supra, or MUPH.
see, the top four.
Yeah.
The big four.
The top four crowns we have.
Counts in MUPH. Ganun, magaling siya. So, hindi ka rin natin. At ito na lang talaga. Ang problema na sa dito kagagaling ng mga girl, kalaban nila sa nila. If you get the pressure towards you. You know, I remember I had an interview with Catriona. This is pretty personal. We worked 2 months before she flew to Bangkok.
Yeah.
She was sitting on the ground. Nakaupo sa bigat. And nung pupus her kitas mo, she was mentioning country names, no? Sabi niya, may stand. Because I'm competing that as me, as Miss Philippines, all of that is me. Diba? So, kung marinig ko may papasukin siya sa thoughts niya, sa feelings niya. And it's microscopic kasi yung ganito. Even the next 3 girls I'll be discussing, for sure they have an idea who they are all in the microscope. It's just a varying degree of magnification. Diba?